Now, it goes without saying that video calls are definitely the need of the hour. Whether it's staying in touch with your friends and family or connecting with your professional colleagues, video calls are an essential part of our day-to-day lives nowadays. However, nobody likes to open up their laptop or PC to, take a call. We all prefer the comfort of our smartphones, and that's what this video is all about. This is one from Guiding Tech, and in today's video, I'll be talking about 5 of the best video conferencing apps that you can use on your Android device right now. Let's get started. Okay, so kicking things off is Caleb, which is an app that some of you might not have heard of, but is one of the best video conferencing apps out there. The app doesn't even require a download because, it can work straight from your web browser. Now, unlike other free alternatives, there is no call time limitation here, even in the free plan. Add to that an easy to use and interactive user interface, Caleb is one of the best looking apps on this list too. Oh, and it's secure as well, with all of your calls being 256-bit end-to-end encrypted. Now, adding on to the security part, the app is fully GDPR compliant and is hosted 100% in Germany. That said, if you want, the company also gives you the option to host the software on your own server if you're super serious about your data privacy. And unlike some other services out there, Caleb also lets you record everything that's going on the screen seamlessly without any issues. All in all, Caleb is a great service and offers tons of features in the free version itself. The fact that there is no time limit is a great incentive to give it a try. Next up, we have Google Meet, which although can be used inside your Gmail app on your smartphones, also comes with its own dedicated Meet app. Regardless of how you plan to use it, Google Meet is one of the top used apps for video conferencing. Setting up a Google meeting is super easy. Just head over to meet.google.com or the app and start a meeting. Inviting people is simple, and you can even share your screen using the present mode. The service was earlier only for G Suite users, but they've now made it available for everyone for free. Moving on, there's Microsoft Teams, which has quickly gained a lot of popularity, and for good reason too. While Skype still exists as a different product, Microsoft Teams comes as a full-fledged solution for office employees. Not only is it a powerful file sharing and instant messaging client, but you can also use Microsoft Teams to host video conferences as well, with great audio and video quality. One can also enjoy simple and fast desktop sharing for technical assistance and multi-user real-time collaboration. Now, we can't have a list talking about the best video conferencing apps and not mention Zoom. I mean, yes, the app did have its own privacy concerns earlier on, but it still continues to go strong. The connection quality here is top notch, and there are way too many bells and whistles that you might ever even need. However, the only issue here is that the 40-minute time limit. It sounds like it should be enough, but when you're conversing with the whole team, this time limit can expire quite fast. As a result, all of you will have to hang up and reconnect, which is a bummer. But apart from that, Zoom is definitely the best quality app for video conferencing out there. Last but not the least, by far the most convenient app to hold video conferences with your friends and family, not professional leads, but with your friends and family, is WhatsApp. We all have it installed, everyone uses it, and it's super easy to use. All you have to do is simply call one of the people you want, and after that you can add individual people to the video call. Alternatively, if you're planning to call people from a group, simply open the group chat and tap on the call icon. Now select the people you want to call and a group call will be placed. The only thing to remember here is that WhatsApp only allows for up to 8 people on a video call, so there's that. And that was it. As always, you can find the download links to all of the apps that I talked about down there in the description box. Also, if you have any more suggestions, make sure to comment down below and we'll check them out as well. Till then, this is one from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.